Okay, here we are with the Lone Ranger. Her partner ran off with the horse. What was the horse's name? Hi-Ho Silver. Silver. Her partner ran off with the horse Silver. All right, here we go. We're going to start. She's been working hard all by herself. And her hard work and effort is paying off. Look at this. Oh, it's barely on the line. Okay, it's still good. It's still good. It's still good. Here we go. Stop, stop, stop. Oh, just barely. Just barely. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. The last turn. Last turn. The home stretch. Home stretch. Oh. Okay. So purple zone. Purple zone. Let's see. Let's look at this. Purple zone. Right before the color flash. A little bit. Like twice as much. Is that twice as much as what you had? What did you have there? I didn't see. Did you have 2? Okay. So then you needed to go. I would go like 4. Yeah. Okay, very good. The rest of everything is good. You did your turns, your degrees, everything's good. All right. We ready for round 2? Calibrate. The Lone Ranger is ready to go again. She is persistent.
Thank you.
Good. Good. Lane 1, down. Lane 2, good to go. Just barely on the line though. But she's good. Orange. Oh no, what happened? No! No! Wait, let's check the purple. Was the purple long enough? Oh, and the purple was long enough. What happened? Oh. Okay, so we're gonna look at your program for that orange, but the first thing you're gonna do is check under your course and see if there's a piece of dust or something that your Sphero hit. That's your first thing. And if you find something in there, you're going to leave your program exactly alike and try it again. Okay, so do that. Here we go. Better calibration. It's almost off the paper, but it's still hanging in there. Good. We're good so far. Oh, look at that. My new shoes. Yep, there we go. We're focusing on the new shoes. Oh, and then back. Oh, the robot's taking off. There we go. Oh, no. It's out of the course. Oh, it's just right on the line. Oh, too far. Okay, so the purple one went too far. So that's where you make your correction. Find the purple lane and make your correction on that one. So here we are with our 2 students. What's your name?
Harley.
And what's your name?
Emma.
There we go. That's not their real names. It's a fake. Here we go. The robot is moving along. Oh, oh, oh. Here we go. Here we go. It's going. There. Oh, oh.
Hold on, we made it.
Holy mackerel, that was good. Right to the green.
We made it.
Okay, so look at your green and make your adjustments. Okay, here we are with my 2 students. What's your name? You're supposed to say the fake name. There we go. Johnny Pineapple and who?
Diego.
Diego. They are ready to go and show me their summative program. Here we go. Shh, everybody get quiet as we concentrate. We are going for a hole-in-one. Which famous golfer just got the hole-in-one? I saw it on the commercial. I don't remember, but we're going for it. Here we go. All right. He is carefully calibrating that. He is really paying some attention to that.
Because if we mess it up,
yeah, John Cena is on the case here. He is really calibrating it. Oh, I said the wrong name, didn't I? All right, good. Good. We're doing good.
doing this on purpose? Oh, you dumb thing.
That's okay. Oh, oh, wobble, wobble. What's that word?
Inertia.
That's right. You guys have got it now. Oh. Dang. Okay.
We calibrated wrong.
All right, so then let's redo it. Hurry up. Hurry. Stop it. Calibrate.
Oh my god, that reminded me. Wait, we were upstairs.
He's John Cena.
Okay.
And Triple H and Tiny Pineapple.
So Triple H is taking his time calibrating carefully. There we go. Wow, the grave digger is over here in the corner watching, paying attention. Here we go. Ready? Oh, oh, that's better. That's better. Shh, let's get quiet. Let's get quiet. Oh, it looks better. That inertia is a killer, isn't it?
Yeah, that's why we made it wait a while.
All right, you're right in the lane though. That's good. That's good.
Come on, Joe. Come on, Joe.
All right, this has a lot of potential.
Boy, we need him a
Flash zone. That flash zone is awesome. And you use the repeat block, am I right?
Yes.
All right, very good. Oh, that's good. Wow, that inertia. Look at that. Here we go. Oh, oh. Oh, good job. Good. That was close enough. That was really good. Do you think you can back off that yellow just a smudge? We are back at this track with, what's your name?
Tweety Bird.
Tweety Bird. And what's your name?
Sylvester.
Sylvester. She's mad because she wanted to be Tweety Bird too. All right, here we go. Here we go. Good. That's good. It's looking good. Good, good, good. Prognosis positive. Oh my God, it did it. Wait, one more. There you go. Yay. Good job. Good job. All right. Tweety Bird and Sylvester was a success. Here we are with the men of wrestling. For trial number 3, we're going to do it this time, right?
Jimmy Buckets.
Jimmy Buckets? Who's that?
Jimmy Butler.
Who's Jimmy Butler? I don't know that one.
It's on the Timberwolves. He used to be on that.
Oh, okay. All right. I know that one. Who are you? Who? You're still Tiny Pineapple. Okay. Here we go. Yes, foot on the names. There we go. That's good. You stopped dead that time, didn't it? Oh, see, it's that spot right there. There might be something in the floor. Oh, no. All right. Let's look. All right, here we are with the Chupacabra and the North American Yeti. We are ready to run our program.
Can I go press go?
Yes, you ready to calibrate? Go, go, go. Aiden, it's okay. Calm down, bro.
Who's Aiden?
I mean,
Who's Aiden?
Chupacabra.
No, not so.
Chupacupa, calm down. It's okay.
What do you mean?
Here we go. Here we go. Oh, oh, oh. Ooh. It's still in. It's still in. It's doing good. It's doing good. Here we go. Here we go. We're going to follow. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Here. Let's get over here. And we're entering the purple zone. Which emotion was purple?
Scared.
Scared. We're entering the scary zone. Oh, very good. We're about to be angry. We're about to be angry.
Better not be.
We're angry. Oh, oh, it's in. It's in. It's in. It's still in. It's still in. Don't freak out, Yeti. Don't.
We don't have any more after that.
Oh. All right. Okay, here we are. Here we are with Oscar the Grouch and Big Bird. We're ready to run our program.
I'm Big Bird.
We struggled. We suffered a setback when we lost our programming. But we have rebuilt our programming. Oh, it's a little off there. It's a little off. But we are being persistent, right? 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 Say yes. Yes, we're being persistent. Very good. Okay, examine that program and let's keep going. All right, here we are with Crazy Pineapple. This is right. Crazy Pineapple and Purple Coconuts. We're trying our course again. All right, here we go. Look at that. Look at the care of that calibration job. That was a good calibration job. Here we go. Run pro zip. That first one goes fast. Okay, we're restarting it. Because all of the care that we put into calibration, it was on an angle.
Why is it like tilting right?
You might have a little spot in the floor tile that you can't. You have to put it next to that spot. There we go. That was much better. Much better. All right, here we go. Here we go. See if we pass the test. Oh my God, that was almost perfect. And look, your inertia is there, but it's in the right spot this time, isn't it?
Yeah, that's right.
Very good. There's got to be something on that floor that's making the wobble. Very good. Very good. It's precise. It is right on. Your programming is solid. Your persistence has paid off. I like that word. That's my new word, persistence. Very good, very good. Right there. A lot of inertia again, but we're good. Oh my God, it's perfect. Red. Yes! Good job, purple coconut and crazy pineapple. Good job. Wait a minute. You have your own name, and it's going to be better than mine? And you got your...
That's gonna be
I have to put my foot. Look at those new shoes. Aren't they fantastic? I love them. Okay. All right. So here we are with cheeseburger and fries.
Harry Tree.
What?
Harry Tree.
Harry Tree and Myrtle. Let's call her Myrtle. All right. This is going to be awkward having to keep my foot here, but I'm going to do it. I'm a trooper. Oh, it's going to move the paper. Okay, we're going to deal with it. Let's go. Oh, that was my fault because I moved the paper. I'm so sorry. Let's do it again. Maybe, wait a minute. I have a better idea.
Yes.
Perfect. That is perfect. The magic 8 ball saves the day again. That thing is phenomenal. Love that 8 ball. All right. Now, Myrtle has taken great care calibrating it, while the fuzzy tree starts the program. Oh, it's a little off. Oh, just a tad. Oh, no. The program gone bad. So good. So good. Okay, so what part are we going to examine here in our program?
This part.
That part right there, that's right. So let's look at the random part. And here, let's go over here. Keep your face out of the video. Keep your face out of the video. All right, where's the problem? Point it with your finger. With your finger. With your finger. That one.
It was right
okay.
here, but I just adjusted
Set
it. It
speed.
was 1 second.
I can't see this on the camera. What is it? 1.3?
Yeah.
So you don't have enough speed. It's not going anywhere. So try moving it
was
to
a 1, but I put it to 1.3.
just now?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try it again. Let's make that one change and try it. Let's go.
Okay.
Not on my phone. I have to dial. So you'll have to wait until I'm done recording. All right, here we go
I think we're good.
with Myrtle and the tree. Here we go. Uh-oh, somebody's robot is out of control. We have a rogue robot on the course. Here we go. Oh, it still didn't go. All right, so now what you're going to do, are you listening? What you're going to do is you're going to check that floor right there under that corner, and you're going to see, is there a bump? And you're going to feel it with your fingers. Is there a bump? Is there dust? Is there stuff under there?
Dust.
Is there anything? There was dust. Okay. Did you clean real good? All right. And don't get your face in there. Don't get your face in there.
I have my
All
hat.
right. So if it does it again, we're going to move your course off of that spot because it might be your tile. Okay? All right. So the tree is going back to reset the program while Myrtle calibrates carefully. Is that careful? There, she's Myrtle. Look carefully. Is it lined up just right? There we go. All right. There we go. Oh, that went almost straight down, didn't it? Off a little bit. There we go. All right. So it appears to have been the dust was the problem. Oh my, it's out, but it's still, let's see. Oh, okay, now what? The green zone needs to be adjusted, right? You're good up into the green zone now. Very good. Let's look at your program and make some adjustments. Good job, Myrtle and the tree. This persistence is paying off. I love that word. So the first thing, we need a little magic over here in this corner because I understand you're a man down. You don't have your partner. And you start it over, which is persistent, right? I love that word, persistent. Okay, very good. So, can we think of a fun name? We gotta have a fun name to have some magic.
Goten.
What?
Goten.
Who's Goten?
Color spider.
You know, so did you ever watch the drug movie?
Afterwards, we need this to
Sort of. My nephew did, but I didn't really pay
You should be
attention.
color spice, and your board has a lot of colors.
Oh, you could be Sassy Spice. You could be Sassy Spice. I like it.
Okay.
What do you think? I think that name has magic. Okay, so Sassy Spice is here with her program. Oh, I'm zoomed all the way out. All right, we're ready. Let me switch to this side. So she's going to calibrate first. We're going to see where she's at. That first one was crooked. What's the problem with when it goes crooked in the first? Calibration. Hey, Sassy Spice. Calibration. Calibrate first. Go to the calibrate button right up there. Calibrate. All right, now walk away and come over here and do a good job calibrating. Do a very good job calibrating. Carefully. And you're going to look straight down on it and make sure it's lined up perfectly to go straight down this lane and not go crooked. I think you did a good job with that one. All right, let's try it.
No, you're giving us depression, you child.
Oh, now that was much better, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Much better. The power of a good calibration, right? That was a good turn. Is that where we stopped? All right, here we are with Aunt Clara and Maurice. The magical duo, Aunt Clara and Maurice. Practicing persistence. This one has been a real battle of wills here. But they are doing it. They're keeping a positive attitude. They're getting through the sad zone. Uh-oh. It went a little too far. And now it's going to hit the thing. Oh, no. Okay, all right. We're going to give Aunt Clara and Maurice a little bit of privacy so they can examine. Because we're having a little anxiety here. We're going to be calm. Where's the calm zone? Where's your calm zone? You need to get in the calm zone. Happy, go to happy. Go to the yellow. All right, here we are with the rare European snow leopard. She's gorgeous. We love snow leopards. They're beautiful. And always alone. Always alone. So, here she goes. Starting it out. There we go. That's good. Here we go. Here we go. Yes. 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 I'm going to go. Yes. Good job. Good job, snow leopard. Good job. There we go. All right. Stay in the lane. Stay in the lane now. Stay in the lane. Oh, yes. Stop. 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 Yay. Yay. Snow leopard. Good job. See? Persistence. I love it. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Snow leopard. Persistence. That was funny. Laugh. There we go. There we go. I feel better now. All right, here we are back at the Tree Guy and Myrtle Beach. I can't remember. Myrtle Beach. You're Myrtle Beach.
We're just gonna call our group Myrtle Tree.
All right.
Myrtle Tree.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. You carefully calibrate. I'm going to ask.
New Claremont Middle School.
Magic 8 Ball. Are they going to do it all the way to the green section this time?
School to pick up your folders. The CMS Garden Club is starting up again next Wednesday from 2:15
I can't see what that says. What is
It
it?
says it is decidedly so.
Oh my God, it is decidedly so. All right, here we go. Ooh.
Please return
All right.
applications and complete to Mrs. Taylor or Mrs. Foley by Tuesday.
Oh no, it went crooked. What happened? Stop it and try it again. Do a really good job calibrating. Really good. Look all the way down that lane. It's crooked. I can see it.
You may pick up an
A little bit crooked, Myrtle Beach. It's more crooked, Myrtle Beach.
An order form in the
Myrtle
office.
Beach. Myrtle Beach. There you go. There. That looks much better. Okay, here we go.
Miss O'Connor and
Here we go. Myrtle Beach and the tree.
Students return all ice packs to the nurse before leaving school.
Much better. Look at that. The power of a calibration. Don't get your face in there. Oh, it didn't move again. Okay, we're going to give him a moment. Wait a minute. What was your name again? I can't remember.
Maurice.
Maurice, that was it. Maurice and Aunt Clara here. We are shedding some tears here in the sad zone. Oh, that right there. There's a real tear right there in the sad zone. We have done excellent work though and been persistent. So you're good. Don't worry. Oh, there's the bell. All right.